how to block calendar in Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can block calendar in Outlook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to block calendars on Outlook, first of all log into your Outlook account either from the web or from your mobile app. And once you've done that, on the left hand side you can see this little option that says calendar when you hover your mouse over it. So click on the calendar tab. As you do that, you can see my calendars, but you can click on show all to view all the calendars that you have here, right? So all you have to do is select a certain calendar, click on the three dots option here, and then you should be able to find an option that says remove. So if you want to remove or block this calendar, you can just click on the remove option as you can find. Then you can see you will no longer see events from this calendar. So just click on remove and then you'll be able to block that calendar on Outlook. This way you can block calendars on Outlook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.